how to add this PNG stickers and doodles on your videos. Hello guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, this is me Vedika. I hope you all are glowing. You guys must have seen that these are extremely trending and viral and popular videos on Instagram. I know you guys know this, right? And you think, ye kaise add kiya? I want to add this in my video. So I am here to share with you all how exactly you are gonna do it. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do subscribe. Let's get started with our tutorial. And if you guys don't know, I have an entire series on editing your videos with the trendy reels. If you haven't checked it out, I have added in the I button, and also you can check in the description below. And I post daily on Instagram. Here's my Instagram handle. You can go and follow me on Instagram too. And look what I just received. If you want to know इसमें क्या है, I have added another short video. You can go and check it out. I am pretty sure this video was a great help to you all. If you find this video a really helpful video, give it a big thumbs up and do comment below what you think about this video, and do share this video with all your friends who would want to watch this video to know how to add those doodles and stickers in your videos. And this is exactly how you're gonna do it. See you guys in my next video.